Okay, so hi. Usually we are talking about this half an hour, so let's see if that fits in 5 minutes. We are the CodePadawans. We are a Rails Girls Summer of Code 2014 team, and we are talking in 5 minutes about our journey through a summer full of code. And this is us, Ute and Magda. And first of all, we want to thank a lot of people who made come us here. We had a crowdfunding campaign, and all these people gave money to us. And we will also like to thank the organizers to give us a discount code. And yeah, thank you.
Now shortly about the Rails Girls Summer of Code. What is this program? So it's a global fellowship program aimed to bring more diversity into open source. First, there's a fundraising phase to be able to fund 10 teams of 2 women to code on open source project of their choice for 3 months, full time. So we were hosted by 2 companies, Askar and Fiber, based in Berlin. And we had a team of great coaches from both of those companies, and also 2 remote coaches, which are actually here with us. Dirk and Lucas, thank you so much again.
Yeah. And Summer of Code is a really great initiative, and to make it happen next year, we need support. So if you want to get involved with Rails Girls Summer of Code, please come to us, talk to us, and we will help you with becoming a coach or a coaching company, or give some money. And this was our project, Ataru. You can find it on Ruby Jams. It's a Ruby Jam, and it's a documentation testing tool for MARKDOWN files. So if you're writing a README for your code, then maybe it can happen that the README will be outdated because you are updating your code but forget to update your README. And for the users, that's not so good because they're finding your software and try to get them running, and README is outdated and does not work, and it's very frustrating. So we had this idea, and it grabs the Ruby code samples out of the MARKDOWN file and runs them and see if they are still valid. At the moment, it only runs with Ruby code, but in the future, maybe with other languages. And you can also use it with your continuous integration process on Travis.
So we did the first release at the end of the program, but we're just about to do the second one. You'll find it online in like a few hours.
We had some Wi-Fi problems.
Okay, so checking our own code, we checked a few READMEs, a few Ruby gems, and we did find a mistake in documentation of anime. Maybe some of you use this gem. We commented on it, and it got fixed, and so it's working.
Yeah. Time is too short for showing code samples, but you can find it on GitHub or find us later and talk to us. And 3 months was not only coding for us, it was like learning to learning something about ourselves, how to deal with frustration or problems. And there was a lot of things around us, and we had the secret shader superpowers of the week. It's like collecting all the things happening in 1 week in 1 word so we can remember it later. And it's also a skill we find helpful for a good developer. So one example of 12 is passion. If you have passion for that, what you are doing, you are better, and it helps you going to problems or times when work is bad for you or you're frustrated. So having passion makes you probably a better developer. And all our things are out there in the internet, so you can follow us on Twitter or go to GitHub. There is what we wrote in the last 3 months. And on our website, you can read our blog and find all the other superpowers we had. So thank you.
Thank you.